up. I'm 100 miles up above my area. Maybe in the night when they see me back on top. Over the plane, I'm gonna reach. Ain't here for playing no games. Fill up my plate, full up a tea. Ain't gonna catch me saying no grace.
Through night and day, strength and pain, I rose again and I broke my chains. Don't ever change what you used to say. Deep in your bones and coursing through your veins. Run, run, turn to its our battle cries. Run, run, echo through the jungle skies. No way to hide, no escaping. When you feel the ground shaking, tearing up the skies, and will leave on.
Play them all like a symphony. Never gonna keep yeah, I'll be sending them back. Turn them 180, get clapped. I'ma set them free with a quick clean up on mass. Yeah, I'm 100 miles up above my area. Maybe in the night when they see.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Only love and night
Your
are
team is
everlasting.
picking.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
It is better to be
The
feared
enemy
than
is
loved,
picking.
if you cannot both.
I, Minotaur, will finish off what was left undone.
Test. Alpha is online.
Please pick a hero.
I didn't cure the pain. I harnessed it.
I love the smell of
The
gunpowder in
enemy
the
is
morning.
picking.
Time and tide wait for no man, nor girl. Aren't you gonna ask a lady to dance?
Your team is picking.
Let's hear from the crowd! Make some noise for yours truly!
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
A real fighter never runs! One shot, one kill! Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs! Time to teach you guys a lesson! One shot, one kill!
First blood!
That was amazing! Enemy battle spell on CD.
Time to teach you guys a lesson!
You have been slain.
Chicken wings!
Launch attack! Launch attack! An enemy has been slain. Double kill! An enemy has been slain.
Yun, hello, hello, hello. Uy, naririnig niyo ba ako? Naririnig niyo ba ako? Huli ka. Hello, 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 mga yakin. Naririnig niyo ba ako, mga yakin? Patay. Patay nga. Hello, 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 mga yakin. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Comment mo nga dyan sa baba kung naririnig mo ako, mga yakin. Hoy, mga yakin. Patay ka, pre. Anong ginagawa mo? Ayan o, patay na. Di ba? Yung mga iyakin. Hoy, wag puro ride. Ayan, patay to. Dito ka. Hindi patay, pre. Ayun, namatay nga. Mga nakaka 37 rides dyan. Baka naman maligo muna bago biyahe. Tara dito, Stas. Halika rito. Patay na to, halika rito. Patay nga, pre. Patay nga, pre. Hello, hello, hello. Ano? Core, where are you? Walang tao. Dito ka pre, matay ka tuloy. Oy, tama ng biyahe. Matulog naman kayo. Oh, patay ka. Oy, dito ka. Diyan na sila, patay, takbo. Ay, patay nga. Ano yan kaya? Ha? Ano yun? Ano yun? Uy, ulo yan ah. Katado yan ah. Alam ko yan ah. Huwag mo, ano, masakit yan. Hindi ma... Ayan, patay yan. Sige, sige. Ay, gag. Uy, patay. Uy! Ay! Takbo, retreat! Patay ang bata. Anong pinaggagawa nyo?
Ano kaya? Pwesta na tayo? Okay?
Yan. Abante.
Ako,
Anong ginagawa niyan? Uy, wag ka manood dito. Bawal to sa'yo.
nakikinig ko.
Uy, bawal to sa'yo.
Paglaki mo, kalaro ka na ni Papa mo pag high school ka. Tamula, gamaan la, baka matutayin agad ha. Tama. Hoy, kilingon mo yung anak mo. Shh, kaya, bad dyan?
Out na. Patay ka dyan.
Ang anak mo.
Uy, sayang. Walang nahok.
Kaya, alay ko lang.
Kumaingay. Hello mga yakin. Nasaan na kayo? Bumiyahe pa ba kayo? Hindi nyo pa nakukuha yung 55 rides? Grabe na yan. Patay ito pre, ayun o. Kung lalapit, patay kayo dyan. Uy! Kastig.
Bakit?
Iye.
Bakit?
Kumusta na kayo dyan? Nasa ilalim ba kayo ng puno? Nakapos ang job. Maglaro ka muna. Uy, wala. Out, pre. Patay ka dyan. Wala. Ay! Patay! Shit, takbo! Uy! Uy guys, tugit naman. Nice one ako yan, Lord. Nice one. Discarte yun. Discarte. Yun. Ito na yung Lord. Yung pagsasabi dyan. Lay lang. Yun. Shoutout dyan sa 100,000 viewers. Ano na, kamusta kayo dyan? Nasa ilalim ba kayo ng puno? Huli ka ngayon. Dito ka. Wala kayong ibang panoorin. Manood muna kayo bago kayo. Pag nasa ilalim kayo ng puno. Habang nakapost pa ang job. Huli ka. Uy. Yan ang payong kapatid. Ang payo ko sa inyo, lahat ng gurami reject. Huli. Uy, gaji. Tapos na. Uy, galing oh. Patay. Di ka natin. Uy, takbo. Patay, ubos. Wala na. GG. One game. Panalo one game. Next game. Ayan, ito na. Ano na pala tayo? 53 stars. Okay. Oh, magsasalita ka. Wag na muna magsalita, be. Anong gagawin natin? Matutulog na tayo. Another game. Sinapalap. May extra mo na naman. Sleep na ba tayo? Wala pa naman. Hello. Okay, another game. Okay, last game na to, dahil matutulog na tayo. Uy, ano yan? Huwag mong kagatin yan. Ang tigas niyan. Ayan ka na naman eh. Oo. Ito lang oh. Wag, dito ako. Lilipat nga ako. Last game na to, last game. This is the last time. Ang mga iyakin naman. Yon, dito tayo ngayon. Mobile palengke. Ay, ang gagamitin natin. Mage pala tayo, mage. Siyempre, ang gagamitin natin mage. Yung pinakamalapit na mage. Ito. Ay, hindi. May Valentina pala. Ghost yun. Talo pa ghost yun. Ay, inay. Oy. Saan tayo? Bail? Mag-bail. Ayadura. Ito, inana. Nana muna tayo. Nana muna tayo, hero ng mga ano. Hero ng mga Bisaya. Nana.
Ay, nadaw ka na bubulungin sa akin. No, talaga, oh. Ha? Ano kaya mo?
It's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up.
Well played, bro.
Slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain.
We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Hi-ya!
Launch attack!
Mama told me not to judge others.
Ult is not ready. Killing spree!
Don't be sad for me.
You have slain an enemy! Ult is not ready.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana?
Request backup! Shut down! Ult is not ready. An enemy has been slain!
Don't bully me!
You have slain an enemy!
Gather at the turtle!
The enemy has slain the turret. Ready.
Let me protect you. Control my power now. Don't bully me! Apple pies are the best things ever.
Not ready.
Huh.
Our turret is not
Elves are so pretty, but Leonins are cute too. Don't bully me!
slain. Launch attack!
Take me back to the forest.
Double kill!
Well played, bro.
Meow. I want to hurt those scary monsters.
We're behind in gold. Launch attack! Shut down! Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
I will share everything with you, because we are friends.
Well played, bro.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Hi-ya!
An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Request backup.